Hey guys, so this is the UK APO GS paper answer key. I have tried to cover all the questions, but still I was not able to find a few questions. So if you know those answers which I have left, please do let me know, or otherwise, whenever I'll find it, the right answer, I'll upload it, okay, in the comment section. The first question is the first train of the world. This is series A, by the way. The first train of the world between Liverpool and Manchester was started in the year of 1830. Who among the following has been appointed 25th Controller General of Accounts? It's Deepak Das. Union Budget 2021-22. Again, I'm confused with the answer. World Population Day celebrated on 11th of July. According to Budget 21-22, pensioner senior citizen over dash of age exempted. So it's 80 years. Who has been appointed as the CEO of Ayushman Bharat scheme? It's R.S. Sharma. Who has been appointed as the first compliance officer of Facebook? It's Henry Moniz. Eighth is named the Indian American who has been appointed as acting chief of staff of NASA. It's Bhavya Lal. Which state's chief minister has launched Har Ghar Pani Har Ghar Safai mission? So it's Punjab. Which word has been declared by Oxford Dictionary as the Hindi word of the year? It's Atmanirbharta. The correct word is, I guess, Atmanirbhar. But D is the right answer here. Which one among the following has become India's youngest female pilot at the age of 25? It's Aisha Aziz. First Indian woman to win an Olympic medal in 2000 is Karnam Malleshwari. 13th, I think, is a wrong question. And if you know the right answer, then please do let me know. Otherwise, I believe this is a wrong question. The name of the author is not mentioned here. Which of the following mandals of the Rig Veda was dedicated to Soma? It's ninth mandala. Who among the following was a courtier of Harshvardhan? I don't know. Please do let me know if you know it. Who was the founder of Ajivak sect in ancient India? It's Makali Gosala. Who was the spiritual mentor of Amir Khusrau? It's Sheikh Nizamuddin Aulia. Before becoming Sultan, who among the following had served as the governor of Kara also? It's Alauddin Khalji. Who laid the foundation of town of Agra? Sikandar Lodi. Who was India's only Jewish viceroy? It's Lord Reed. Who declared the revolt of 1857 as the national revolt in the House of Commons is Disraeli. Who among the following is not related with Champaran Satyagraha? Swami Sahajanand. Ilbert Bill controversy took place during the period of which viceroy? Lord Ripon. Who has won the National Lokmanya Tilak Award 2021? It's Cyrus Poonawalla. Which one of the following revolutionaries had worked as a clerk at Dehradun? Rajbihari Bose. Who was known as Andhra Bhoja? Krishna Deva Raya. Who among the following got life sentence in Kakori conspiracy case? It's Roshan Lal. Who founded the Sanskrit College of Banaras? It's Jonathan Duncan. With which of the following country Radcliffe Line forms India's boundary? It's Pakistan. With which of the following rivers is not the tributary of River Ganga? It's Betwa. Which of the following national park is situated in Uttar Pradesh? It's Dudhwa National Park. 32, the state which is most densely populated in 2011, it's West Bengal. 33, which of the following state has the longest spell of monsoon rains? It's Kerala. At which of the following is the headquarter of Northwestern Railway located? Jaipur. When was Subhash Chandra Bose selected in Indian Civil Services? It's 1920. The leading manganese producing state in India is Madhya Pradesh. Which of the following is not a nuclear power station? Khopoli. Which of the following center is not known for the production of steel silk textile? It's Ahmedabad. Bagnath Temple of Bageshwar is situated at the confluence of which two rivers? Sarayu and Gomti. 40, I don't know. 41 is where did Sir George Everest establish his observatory? Missouri. 42, again I was not able to find the answer. Same is for 43. 44 is in which part of the body the ornament dhagula popular in Uttarakhand is worn? Dhagula is basically a bracelet. It is worn on the wrist. 45th is which one of the following gurudwaras is not located in Uttarakhand? It's Paonta Sahib. 46 is which of the following crops are not grown in the Kharif season? Barley and mustard. Which of the following a sequence of British commissioners of Kumaon is correct? So it's D. Gardiner, Trail, Lushington, Baton. The painting Vipralabdha Naika is a work of which artist? Again, I was not able to find a specific artist for this, so I believe this question is wrong. If you know the correct answer, please do let me know, because I think this question is wrongly framed. So 49th, where was the first sanatorium for tuberculosis opened in Gumao? It's Almora. Katarmala temple is dedicated to which deity? It's Surya. So B, sun is the right answer. Which one of the following tribes is not found in Uttarakhand? It's Bhil. Correct answer for 52, where you have to match the scheduled tribe and tehsil, is D. 53, following pairs is incorrectly matched. So Saint Bonaventure's Church, it's not in Missouri. 54 is who was the first woman of Uttarakhand to be imprisoned during the freedom struggle? It's Sarla Bain. Which one of the following trees of Uttarakhand grows at lower altitude? So I think it's both oak and rhododendron, but then one should be the answer. So if you find it find it mentioned specifically somewhere that it's either oak or rhododendron, please do let me know. Which one of the following pairs is incorrectly matched? So Banbasa is not on Yamuna River. Where was the first magnesite factory established in Uttarakhand? It's Jhiroli. Which one of the following pairs is incorrectly matched? So Nandhaur Sanctuary, it's not in Nainital. Nanda Raja Jat is held at an interval of how many years? It's 12. Which one of the following pairs is incorrectly matched? Milam is not from. Sorry, Milam is the glacier, and Ramganga Eastern is not. Doesn't originate from Milam. Pancheshwar Dam is proposed to be constructed on which river? It's Kali, Mahakali basically. Which is the oldest canal built by the British administration in Uttarakhand? It's Upper Ganga Canal. Again, 63, I don't know. 64, which one of the following pairs is incorrectly matched? So Shamla Tal is not in Nainital. One of the following places which one is located at the highest altitude, it's Vishnu Prayag. Which of the following rivers do not meet each other? It's Ganga and Nayar. Which one of the following rivers does not originate from a glacier? Ramganga Western. Which one of the following literators of Uttarakhand received the Gyanpith Award? Sumitra Nandan Pant. Wildlife Institute of India situated in Dehradun. What is Chanchari? It's a dance form. Nanda Devi National Park was established in the year 1986. Head office of the National Biodiversity Authority is located in Chennai. The one-horned Indian rhino has its natural home in Kaziranga National Park, that is in Assam. Which country won the ICC World Test Championship in 2021? It's New Zealand. Which tennis player has won 11 titles at one particular Grand Slam event? It's Roger Federer. Name the first Indian women hockey player who scored a hat-trick in the Olympics. It's Vandana Kataria. The current affairs hai. Winter Olympic Games started in which year? 1924. Which one of the following is the most popular sports in the world? It's football. We all love football. Kedarnath eco-disaster of June 2013 was caused due to flash floods in the river Mandakini. In which medium would sound have the maximum speed? So sound needs some medium to travel, so metal is the answer. Vitamin B12 contains cobalt. The gas used for artificial ripening of fruits is ethylene and acetylene. Formalin is an aqueous solution of formaldehyde. The purest form of water is rainwater. Common name of sodium carbonate is washing soda. Number of bones in adult human body are 206. Coprophagy is seen in rabbits. Acrosome of sperm is formed by Golgi apparatus. 89, I don't know. 90 is the first mid-term election in India were held in 1971. Which High Court in India has the largest jurisdiction is Guwahati. Panchayati Raj belongs to a state list. Provisions of 6th schedule of the Constitution shall not apply in which of the following states? It's Goa. The only president of India who was elected unopposed is Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy. 73rd Amendment was brought into force to give effect to one of the directive principles of state policy mentioned in Article 40. Who was the first Deputy Prime Minister of India? It's Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Under the Indian Constitution, any arrested person must be appeared before the nearest magistrate within 24 hours. The term on the Comptroller and Auditor General of India is 5 years. The ATM service in India was started in the year 1987. Which of the following language is not in the 8th schedule of the Constitution? It's Persian. So with this we are done, and those questions which I have left, I am still looking for the answers, and as soon as I find it, I'll write it in the comment section below. And if in case you know the right answer, or if you think I have marked any answer incorrectly, then please do let me know. Okay, thank you for watching, and all the best.